Thanks for joining us. I'm Kristen Moore. Our coverage continues tonight on the battle for marriage equality in Michigan. A U.S. appeals court suspended gay marriages in the state yesterday, putting a hold on same-sex weddings, at least until Wednesday. Now a local pastor set to officiate same-sex ceremonies is speaking out. Sherry Hardman reports.
Two loving people want to get married. Who in the world is that hurting?
That is a question Pastor Jeff Liebman is asking, a day after a federal appeals court issued a stay, putting a halt to same-sex marriages in the state of Michigan.
We knew that the window would be very short because we knew the Attorney General was going to seek a stay as quickly as he possibly could, which he did.
But before that happened, Liebman, pastor of the Unitarian Universalist Fellowship in Midland, was preparing to start officiating same-sex marriages on Monday. That's when the Midland County Clerk's Office was to start issuing marriage licenses to same-sex couples, after a judge ruled Michigan's ban on gay marriage unconstitutional.
As a clergy person, I have been an ally of the LGBT community forever. So for me, to finally live in a state that might have the opportunity to not just do civil unions, which I've done many of those, but to actually do one where it was going to be a full-fledged legal marriage was very exciting, and I was looking forward to that opportunity.
Now he will have to wait until at least Wednesday, when the Court of Appeals will rule on whether to lift the stay and allow same-sex marriages to resume. Liebman says he believes the outcome is inevitable.
In history, this is going to be a blip. 10 years from now, people are going to look back and go, what was the debate about? What was the issue here? Because for us, this is no different than interracial marriage or civil rights for blacks or the voting rights for women. I mean, these are all inevitable eventualities of history.
Liebman says he understands that not everyone agrees with his stance. He says that's your right to do so, but
if you choose not to marry someone of the same sex, I respect that. But that does not give you the right, because it's your belief, to impose that belief on other people.
In Midland, Sherry Hardman, Fox 66, News at 10.
And about 300 same-sex couples wed yesterday in 4 counties across the state before the appeals court action. Definitely more to come on this issue, and you can count on us for continuing coverage.